This is a replica of a Navy cannon, and we're going to load it up with 4 cc's of double F powder. Put the powder in, put the fuse in, using cannon fuse. Alright, now the powder's in. Close up the powder. Close up the powder. Now I'm not putting any steel balls in this, but I am putting, there's steel wool wrapped up in paper. We're going to use this as our shot instead. Get them started. Alright, there we go. Make sure that powder is packed good. Loose black powder is an explosive. Packed black powder is a propellant. Alright, we're packed in there good. We're ready to fire.
It's good.
Ready.